This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
Most of us are getting a little break from the active weather, but we are going to see more snow and the chance for some freezing drizzle through tomorrow morning. That's with this exiting system and then another cold front. And overall, this is probably going to lead to at least some spots of slick travel, especially from any freezing drizzle, and definitely concerns of blowing snow during our Friday morning commute. Much colder this weekend with some sunshine as an Arctic high comes down from the north, but there will also still be some areas of lake effect snow. Our winter weather advisory was issued earlier from Allegan County northward through 1 p.m. tomorrow, and this is for a grand total of 2 to 4 inches of snow. We haven't gotten a ton of snow today, but there will likely be more that comes with this next wave. And then the glaze of ice that will be leading to slick travel, especially on elevated bridges and overpasses. Any kind of freezing drizzle will have a very easy opportunity to accumulate. And it's so thin and light, it's almost invisible, and you can't tell that you've driven over an affected area until you start sliding. So that's the danger in freezing drizzle. Most of us are seeing this wave of snow push away. Temperatures still remain in the 20s from 21 to 29. Most of our feels like temperatures are in the mid-teens because it is quite breezy. Our wind coming up from the south, which will help to keep temperatures high through the overnight. This wave of snow moving towards Lansing and Jackson will soon be out of our way, but we will be waiting for some of that freezing rain, freezing drizzle to start forming. And then this next cold front still back in Canada, but getting a little closer. This is the one that's going to bring us snow for the morning commute. Haven't seen a lot of action in the models, being very confident on a whole lot of freezing drizzle, but just a little bit of it is enough to get that glaze on bridges and overpasses to become slick. Much more likely is around 1 to 3 inches of snow with some higher totals upwards of 4 inches. This is only showing 1 to 3 inches through tomorrow evening, but some lake effect snow into early Saturday. It kind of positions itself north to south, may end up bringing some spots like South Haven, Benton Harbor, and maybe even Muskegon, some of those higher totals just with ongoing lake effect bands. With our temperatures dropping through the day tomorrow, in the morning temperatures close to freezing will then fall into the 20s through the daytime, but with the breeze that will be coming in, and it'll be swinging in from the north, it's going to bring a lot colder air and feels like temperatures that could already be close to zero by the time we get to 4 p.m. tomorrow. So big changes on the way. Not a whole lot of freezing drizzle expected, just patches of snow through the early morning, but through the mid-morning, right around commute time, that's when we'll start to see our heaviest snow moving through. This should be out of the way by 9 or 10 a.m. with maybe a pocket of snow coming in from the north through the afternoon. By and large, we should end up pretty dry though through the evening and into Saturday. It's just going to be a lot colder and very breezy. So our Friday evening turning to Saturday morning feels like temperatures we're going to be hovering between -10 and -15 most likely. And our Saturday morning temperature is only going to be near 4 degrees. The rest of the week, though, looks to be a little warmer and much calmer.